What's up, guys? So if you're gonna do some vlogging, right, you definitely need to figure a way out to set the camera on the table while you're busy with stuff at the table. Also, not everyone's a fan of that ultra fisheye look. So if you're not gonna use any ultra wide angle lenses, you definitely need to figure a way out to set the camera further away from you while you're recording yourself. I personally have tried a few different options. I've tried this little thing that I'm still using, which is a table tripod leg thing attached to a magic arm that reaches out so that I can adjust the angles. I've also tried a flaky ass Gorilla Pod, which was too old and therefore the rubber was kind of like flaking away. I've also used the popular Siri mini tripods, which was pretty good until recently. I saw a Kickstarter campaign for a product called the Switchpod, and that was targeted specifically for vloggers. So I definitely had to try it. Sometime later, this thing's here. So the Switchpod's main claim to fame will be the fact that it is easy and very fast to go from handheld mode to tabletop mode and back to handheld mode. Feels pretty easy, feels pretty fast to me. Coincidentally, Shireen's sister and her husband were in town the other day and they were craving some Singaporean food, so I decided to bring this along on the first day of our trip around Singapore hunting for good food. Let's go.
I think it will be so hard.
Look at the size of that. Following Shireen's sister and brother-in-law on a food trip around Singapore.
Yay!
Half of the places you also never go before. I'll try lah, go and check it out.
Yeah.
Are they all closed?
Try the rice first. Hey, did you take a photo? Oh, you did already, okay. You know I did. I'll take one more.
The rice is good. Very 香。A bit like chicken rice kind of fragrance.
Video.
Mustard what?
Social pork.
Are we mixing the
Together with 老板。No, the one, not 老板, the one that
Oh no.
you only react. Either fly or
Did we have this one when we came here? Or we ate the other stall?
I think we eat another stall.
There are like two stalls side by side selling the same shit.
Yeah. Your one is wrapped with the banana leaf one. But not belacan like missing something.
I can ask. I can say, 诶，你没有拿那个东西回来装？那讲哦没有。然后我问他有没有本来看，没有，你没有拿那个回来装，环保啊环保。
Oh, you probably eat finish already,
Yeah.
then you want one more lah.
Still not blood.
This is your thing.
Yeah, your thing.
Eh, you not eating?
I'm eating.
Oh.
But you are the one who likes.
Oh, because this is your thing.
This one by right I eat with the leaf.
Yeah, it is new. Wow, so hot it melt. Oh no!
Oh my god!
Oh no, it's melting.
Ah.
Yeah.
How?
This
Very good. Don't have enough hands to do the thumbs up.
Yeah, I help you do.
Wow. Hot. Careful, it's a bit hot, it's a bit hot. You need tissue.
No!
You need tissue.
Oh.
Why you do that?
Oh. Oh!
I can tell.
You're hot.
Melting it.
Buy one more. Oh!
I'm surprised it's so melty.
Mm.
Really nice. It's honey.
Very hard to take eh. One more list. Okay, I take like that first.
Yeah. So you want burn yourself?
Very hot. Very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah. Now you know what I say.
We're actually making good time, so we're traveling out to Beach Road. We're now queuing for Tai Hua Bak Chor Mee.
The famous one. The queue isn't that long today. Oh, you take care already. Now no more good friend, a friend of me.
Oh. Good.
Good?
I think the soup is good.
Okay,
I haven't
the soup
tried
is
the noodle
good.
yet.
Waterproof.
So I think not enough vinegar
Not enough vinegar.
for me. I like a bit more swan. And the noodle feel a bit hard. It's okay. My soup is nice.
I mean, 它是好吃 but it's not like special.
So do you think she has been domesticated before? I feel like
Thank you very much.
Bye.
oh my god, this is so cute.
Sure, right? Actual original recommendation from my dad. So thanks dad.
Yeah.
We're heading down to the boba tea factory. It's by application, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
but-
have to pre-book
Yeah.
or else you can't get slot.
But why is boba green?
I don't know. Eh?
My challenge. Handstand.
Oh, it's have to do here one.
Wait first. Why are you recording already? Oh my god!
Thank you.
Music video area like.
BTS.
I mean you do look bigger lah, but it's only because it's standing further apart. A bit actually, yes. Get it?
Yeah.
A bit. A bit. Yeah, done. nice. It's so nice. Bubble
Milk tea
tea
popcorn.
flavor.
Yeah.
That's why I have to pull my pants up. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, weird.
It's like a diabetic seizure.
Raining away.
Come on, come on. We're almost there. Success. Right?
Ma'am?
Oh, thank you very much.
We're going to Boba Land.
That's the end of our bubble tea factory experience. Free bubble tea. Everyone's more tired. More tired than from the food hunt than the actual bubble tea.
Yeah.
We almost passed out in the ball pit, right?
Yeah. Actually, I just want to sleep.
Okay, so that's the end of day 1 of our Singaporean foodie trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the sample footages as much as the recommendations we have. So what do I think about the Switchpod? Honestly, I think it does its job pretty well, both as a handheld tripod as well as a table tripod. As a handheld tripod, I kind of like the way that they have cut grooves into both the top and the bottom half of the handle itself. Because normally you will be holding it like this, but sometimes maybe you want to switch hands, and it just allows for easier switching. Very grippable, and you don't feel like it's cutting into your flesh that much. Or maybe, who knows, maybe you've got a long lens or you've got a long shot and you just want to hold it down. You can just hold both hands comfortably and it will stay rather stable on its own. The way it curves also makes it very comfortable when you have to like clip it onto your backpack and then you want to put it here. It kind of hugs the contour of my torso nicely. Carabiner not included. As a table tripod, it works alright with some exceptions. I like that there's very little table contact when you're putting it down on like a flat surface or at the dining table, because that means that it takes up less table space. What this means is that I can set it up nicely, have a cup or a plate underneath, and I don't have to worry about like not having enough space to eat my meal while it's set there stably, you know. However, as a table tripod, I find that this is lacking one key mechanism that I really need, which is a tilt mechanism. The reason why I say that is because I do a lot of food, I do a lot of tabletop stuff, and I want to record what's on the table, and I don't have enough hands to do all this. Even if I hold it like this, it's not possible for me to be like picking up noodles and then recording what's on the bowl while being able to do both at the same time. Well, something's gonna drop on the floor, and in both cases it's gonna be disastrous. With that reason, I decided to dismantle the old series tripod and steal the ball head from that one so that I can attach it on top of it. So with this Frankenstein of a contraption, now I can set it up on the table, tilt the camera down, point it on the bowl, and then shoot it. Once again, I still kind of hope that it's a little bit taller so that I can get a better angle of the food sometimes, but beggars can't be choosers, you know? So that's part 1 of my review of the Switchpod. In the next video, I'll be bringing along the series table tripod with me on day 2 of our foodie trip. By the way, if you're going to be buying this Switchpod before the end of 2019, I highly recommend you use the code below for $10 off. You are welcome. Thank you. If not, I appreciate it if you can use the affiliate link down below in the description to make your purchase. It won't cost you extra, but I do get extra from the overall purchase in the form of a commission. That's it for today. Cheers guys. See you in the next video.